Hi guys, today I want to do a Temu haul. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this package for so long and it's finally here. So let's get to work. I got this pouch. It's got like 10 crochet hooks in it. Comes in different sizes, different colors, and let's check it out. I feel, and I'm having good feelings about this, to be honest. Now it's got a nice rubber grip with the numbers written on each crochet hook, and seems good to me. It also comes with these stitch markers, measuring tape, and needles. And I kind of like this, that it's coming in a container and it's not just scattered on a piece of paper or something. And it's different sizes, so that's kind of gonna make my life easier while crocheting. And wow, I never knew this thing existed. It is a row marker, so you're basically row counter, not marker. And it all comes in this cute little pouch that keeps your things all together. Next, I got this. I mean, lots and lots and lots of the yarn that you see. I mean, yeah, I got excited. Anyway, let's see the quality. It feels nice and fluffy, nice and soft, and the thread is not plasticky. I feel this will be really good for making plushies and stuff like that, you know. My daughter wanted to feel, but yeah, just ignore that. But anyway, the thread feels really nice and soft and really fluffy. I'm so excited to use it. I hope it works well even with a wash. Okay, next up, I got this electric eraser. And I'm not sure about the quality. It comes with this instruction package that I just ignore usually, and it's I don't know, I'm having different feelings about this. The material feels really cheap, comes with different sizes of erasers, and yeah, I also got this light. I don't know why, I just got it. I'll show you in a bit how it is. And I got this ring light. I'm gonna try to assemble it based on the instruction that comes with it. It's basically a ring light that is like this. That's the picture of it after it's assembled. Okay, back to that light that I showed you in a bit. It's basically a light that you can charge, and it's got 3 different powers. There's a low, medium, and a high. Of course, whenever you're making a video, lighting is an important factor. I also have this from very long back and it works perfectly fine. I don't have a professional studio, so this will do just the job. I hope you like this haul, and until next time, adios.